Hey guys, welcome back to Creativity Made Easy. It's Miriam here. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a super long time. I've actually been working on redoing my entire bedroom, so look forward to that video. It will be coming up in about a week, I hope. But yeah, that project took me about a month, so that's why I haven't had any new videos posted. But in the meantime, I just wanted to share a tutorial with you on a dessert table setup that I did about a few months ago. The entire dessert table took me about $20 and about, I think, 30 minutes to set up. So I thought it was super inexpensive and it turned out pretty elegant. So stick around and I'll show you how I did it. So first I just laid a white tablecloth down on the table. Next I used this net material that I bought from Walmart. It was about $3 a yard. You can pick it up at any fabric store, but I just got mine from Walmart and I bought about 3 yards worth. And then I picked up some lights from the Dollar Tree, super inexpensive, 2 packs of those. And then I'm just going to use safety pins to attach the fabric and lights to the front of the table as well as on the sides. But I'm not going to attach any on the inside because I don't want to waste extra fabric or lights. So a good way to save money on a dessert table is to use as many things in your home as possible. So for my cake stand, I already had one, so that's what I'm going to use. But if you don't have a nice cake stand, then I'm going to actually make 2 dessert trays in this video. I'll show you how I did those for the front of the table, and you can make another one of those and have your cake sit on that if you don't have a cake stand. And also the vases on either side of the cake stand, I had those at home as well. But if you don't have any of those, then you can buy 2 identical vases from the Dollar Tree and just put your flowers in those. So I bought white roses from Hobby Lobby and I put 5 in each one of the vases as decor on either side of the cake. Next, to make my 2 dessert trays on the front of the table, I used these dessert glasses. I put some E6000 glue on the bottom of each glass and I glued it to the bottom of the gold plates that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. You're going to let it dry overnight and that's it. Your trays are ready. So like I said earlier, if you don't have a nice cake stand, you can make something like this to hold your cake as well. Just make sure you use a bigger glass at the bottom because cakes are usually heavier and you don't want it to topple. I just used something skinny like this because my desserts were super light. I didn't need a super strong base for that. So all the extra decor for the table I bought from the Dollar Tree. I got these really cute bride and groom decor pieces from the Dollar Tree, filled those with chocolate and set them on the table. Next I bought these tin containers from there, 2 packs of those, and I filled those with gold chocolates and set them on the table as well. So next I used more dishes from the house for decor. I took 2 crystal bowls. I turned one upside down and put the other bowl on top of it and put 3 floating candles in there just for decor. And I did the same thing on either side of the table. So for the cake, I just bought a plain coconut cream cake from Walmart, and then I bought white roses. I cut the stems and I just set the roses on top of the cake. I'm not adding anything to hold the roses in place. They are literally just sitting on top of the cake, one on top of the other, and they did not move. Next, I made this bride-to-be cake topper myself. It's super easy to make. Go ahead and download the template below. It's in the description box if you would also like to make it. Then I cut it out and I used my gold spray paint to paint it. And then I used white cake pop sticks to glue on either end of the topper so that I could put it in the cake. So that's it for the dessert table. Like I said, I think it was pretty budget friendly. I used mostly things that I already had in the house, and the few things that I did have to buy, I just bought from clearance at Hobby Lobby or from the Dollar Tree. So the entire thing did cost me around $20, and I'm excluding the cost of food, of course. But yeah, I think it was pretty budget friendly and elegant. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give me some feedback. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, what I could have done better. If you have any of your own ideas to get like a budget-friendly dessert table, leave them in the comment box below. And thanks so much for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you stay up to date with all my latest tutorials. And I will see you guys in another video, God willing. Bye.